In this video, I want to talk about combining transformations. This is a very simple idea. You should pick it up very quickly, but there is one little word of warning. The order in which you do the transformations and the order in which you write them on the paper does look as though it's wrong. I'll explain that more in a moment. Let's look at this example. The matrix A, 0, 1, 1, 0, represents a reflection T in the line y equals x. Matrix B, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, represents a reflection U in the y-axis. Find the matrix which represents the transformation T followed by U. Now that's the important bit, and describe the single transformation. T followed by U looks as though we should write down T followed by U. That, I'm afraid, is wrong. Let me try and explain why. If I want to do T followed by U, and let's suppose we start with the point 3, 4. T is multiplication by the matrix A. So doing T first, I do A times 3, 4. So that is doing T. Then I want to do U. U is multiplying by the matrix B. And so if I want to do T followed by U, I must do A followed by B. I must write them down in the opposite order, not in the way that it looks sensible. We've now seen that T followed by U must be written down as UT, and that means that we must be using the matrix BA. Well, BA is minus 1, 0, 1, or 2 noughts, 0, 1, 1, 0. This, when I multiply it together, is going to give me 0, minus 1, 1, 0. And we can see in the diagram that 1 naught goes to the first column, which is 0, 1. 1 naught goes to 0, 1, A to A dashed. 0, 1 goes to the second column, which is minus 1 naught, so B goes to B dashed. That means that we have a rotation about the origin through 90 degrees. Notice that if we do these transformations in the opposite order, if we do U followed by T, we'll need the matrices the other way around. And if you multiply these together, you get 0, 1, minus 1, 0. And down here, that tells us that 1 naught goes to 0, minus 1. 0, 1 goes to 1 naught. And you can see that's a rotation through 90 degrees again, but in the opposite direction. So U followed by T, U followed by T, is not necessarily the same as T followed by U. That is the main precaution that you have to take when combining transformations. You must get them in the right order. This is all done in your textbook on FP1 on pages 90 to 94.